that side because students entry will be from that side. बच्चों की एंट्री उस साइड से होगी तो वो रास्ता Dear parents, displayed on the poles and sit accordingly. Students will be performing on two different sides of the ground. You are requested to sit as per your class. Please check the placards displayed on the poles and sit according to the class.
Dear parents, professional photography and videography will be arranged by the school to ensure
to invite our headmistress, Ms. Naminda Sahota, whose dedication and guidance have always inspired us. Let us warmly welcome her to address the gathering and share her valuable words of wisdom.
The miracle is to walk on earth, to feel the joy of life, to hear the rhythm around, and to be able to share a smile. On behalf of our principal, Ms. Anvita Kakkar, and entire team of KDRFS Pre-Primary, I, Naminda Sahota, extend a heartfelt welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Deval Sinha, the chief guest of the ceremony, and our guests of honor, Mr. and Mrs. Harshayu Trivedi, head HR and manager KDRFS, who would be joining us shortly. I welcome our parent partners, mommies, daddies, grandpas, grandmas, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, our esteemed guests, and faculty members from various departments to this vibrant morning of fun and fitness. We are thrilled to share these beautiful moments with all of you under the crisp winter sun. Your presence is a tremendous source of encouragement, lifting our spirits and multiplying our enthusiasm.
with an incredible 97.2%, closely followed by Joy Godalia at 96% and Dhruv Goswami at 95.6%. In the commerce stream, Adya Saurav topped the charts with an outstanding 93%, Sneh Bhandari and Shiv Hoza following closely at 90.4% and 90.2% respectively. Humanities streams also performed admirably well, with Aditi Sharma leading the way at 89.6%, followed by Mehak Chawla at 86.8% and Manasvi Fadnas at 81.2%. I think this really calls for an applause from all the parents. The overall class 12 results are a testament to the hard work of students and faculty. With a pass percentage of 98.64%, where 6 students secured 95% and above, 23 students crossing the 90% mark, and impressive 71 students achieving 80% and above. Thank you so much. Class 10 results are equally impressive, with Akshu Parekh and Daksh Kapadia leading the tour with astounding 98%. They were closely followed by Vanshi Shah and Shriti Limbachia, achieving 97.8%, and Pushpi Boda and Yashvi Parmar both securing 97.4%. Apart from preparing the children to excel in academics, special efforts are being made continuously to enable them to face the challenge of the competitive world. The list of achievements is huge, and I wish to share few major achievements of the school with you. KDRFS has been ranked number 1 across the nation by Education World in the category of Professional Development Excellence. ET High-Tech Trailblazer School Awards have recognized KDRFS as one of the top 5 CBSE schools in Gujarat under the categories of Inspirational Leadership, Excellence in Sports Education, and Best Community and Collaboration School. KDRFS has been ranked among the top 5 schools in Gujarat. This year, KDRFS was honored as a Microsoft Showcase School. This prestigious recognition underscores our dedication to leveraging technology to enhance learning and prepare students for future. To my dear students, your heartbeat of institution, I would request all parents to applaud for the tiny tots, for the hard work they've been doing past 1 month and maybe more. Please, it's enough for you that they've worked so hard. You know what? I personally appreciate the efforts of all the teachers, here.
So put hands together for our enthusiastic athletes. I request that Honorable 6 and 9 friends are going to perform yoga. Let's get into the world of yoga and learn.
Someone has aptly said, yoga is art of awakening the hidden potential within. Our very talented yogis of LKG 5, 6 and 9 are ready to showcase their yoga skills. I request the participants from LKG 5, 6 and 9 to take their positions on the ground. It's fun as they demonstrate the essence of mindfulness and physical strength.
योग हमारे शरीर, मन और आत्मा को संतुलित और स्वस्थ रखने का एक प्राचीन और प्रभावी उपाय है। यह न केवल शारीरिक शक्ति और लचीलापन बढ़ाता है, बल्कि मानसिक शक्ति और एकाग्रता।
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय विष्णुदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गानचतुराय गानगानाय गानान्तरात्मनि गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुरुप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मजगाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरिताते गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रवेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गुरुजिवेशनाय भालचन्द्राय
जगज्जालपालं गजन्तमालं शरच्चन्द्रपालं महादैत्यकालं नवोनीलकायं दुरावारमाय सुपद्मासहायं भजेऽहं सदा बोधिवासं गजपुष्पहासं जगत्सन्निवासं शतादित्यवासं तदा चक्रशस्त्रं लसत्पीतवस्त्रं हसच्चारुभद्रं भजेऽहं
Let's give our little yogis a big round of applause for their fantastic yoga demonstration. Through their performance, they have shown.
Now dancing. Have you ever heard about Zumba? Yes, my mom goes to Zumba and she says that Zumba keeps her friends and happy. Life is happy when we dance and Zumba is a music. So cheers for our fit and happy Zumba performers.
I would request the participants of LKG 1, LKG 2.
Zumba is not just a dance, it's a celebration of movement, rhythm and joy. Today, our little stars cheer them. They are starting off with a warm-up routine to get their bodies moving and grooving.
तैयार हो जाइए दोस्तों, हमारे छोटे सितारे अब मंच पर धमाल मचाने वाले हैं। ज़ुम्बा सिर्फ एक डांस नहीं, ये तो संगीत और खुशी का जश्न है। आज ये नन्हे कलाकार आपको दिखाएंगे कि फिटनेस कितनी मजेदार हो सकती है। चलिए तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से उनका स्वागत करते हैं।
Zumba is all about having fun while staying fit, and these kids will absolutely nail it.
I dare you. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's true, so can you feel it? I dare you. Let go. Let go. It's the face, no doubt, it's time on the power planet. She come on like a drum, the same darling. Let go on your Spanish and French. Up the she got on. You will play like a dance, it's Brazil, 9-9. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's true, so can you feel it?
huge round of applause for their fantastic Zumba performance. They have shown us how fitness can be fun and exciting, and their energy is truly inspiring. Great job, kids.
Our young Zumba enthusiasts from LKG 1, 2, 10 and 11 showcase the spirit of dance, spreading happiness and inspiring fitness through their delightful performances. Thank you, kids, for reminding us that the best kind of workout is one filled with laughter and movement.
By going to showcase their balancing skills and curves, let's motivate them with claps.
Get ready for an exciting event that's all about coordination, speed, and fun. The Rolling Tires Race. Our young participants are geared up, ready to roll their tires to finish the line. This activity is not only thrilling, but also a great test of balance and focus. Let's cheer them on as they ready to showcase their skills.
Ghera rolling, a traditional game. The origin of Ghera rolling is deeply rooted in the simplicity and resourcefulness of childhood play in communities where toys were often improvised from available materials. Tires, both bicycle and automobile, became a favored choice for their durability and smooth rolling motion.
On your mark.
Our little racers are ready at the starting line with their tires in hand. Look at their determination and excitement. It is going to be a fantastic race. The goal is simple. Roll the tire from start to finish, without letting it fall.
देखिए, ये बच्चे कितनी तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। कुछ अपने टायर को बड़े ध्यान से घुमा रहे हैं, तो कुछ उसे तेजी से धक्का देकर रफ्तार पकड़ रहे हैं। और वहाँ एक हल्का लुढ़का हुआ एक बच्चे ने तुरंत संभाल लिया। क्या शानदार कोशिश है।
Watch as the kids carefully guide their tires forward, keeping them steady and upright. This requires a lot of focus and hand-eye coordination. What a challenge!
हर खिलाड़ी का अपना अलग अंदाज है। इनकी अलग-अलग तकनीकी और चुनौती का सामना करने का तरीका काफी कमाल का है। एक टायर मिसफायर और ये हमारे नन्हे खिलाड़ी फिनिश लाइन तक दौड़ते हुए।
The importance of focus, determination, and having fun while staying active. Great job, everyone. You have rolled the tires and your way to success.
सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां एक बार फिर। इन्होंने हमें सिखाया है कि ध्यान, मेहनत और मस्ती के साथ एक्टिव रहना कितना जरूरी है। शानदार काम किया सबने।
You have such a knack.
We request the participants of LKG 3 and LKG 7 to take their positions on the ground.
Get ready for one of the most entertaining and fun-filled events of the day, the dressing up race. This race is all about speed, coordination, and a touch of creativity. Our little participants will be racing to dress up in a costume as quickly as possible.
हमारे नन्हे खिलाड़ी लाइन में खड़े होकर तैयार हैं। आधे रास्ते पर हर किसी के लिए एक खास कॉस्ट्यूम रखा हुआ है। यहीं से असली मजा शुरू होगा। कौन सबसे जल्दी अपनी ड्रेस पहनकर फिनिश लाइन तक पहुंचेगा? चलिए देखते हैं मजा।
On your mark.
Each one has a set of costumes waiting for them at the halfway point. This is where the real fun begins. Who will be the fastest at putting on their outfits?
पिछली की तरह शर्ट पहनी, टोपी पहनकर फिनिश लाइन तक पहुंच गए। और वहाँ देखिए, आधी तैयारी हो गई है और दौड़ते हुए फिनिश लाइन पर।
And some goggles. They are trying to find what is the right way to wear it. This part of race is all about patience and quick thinking. And there they have started, wearing jackets, hats, and goggles. Few players are putting shirts with the speed of lightning. Others are carefully wearing goggles and hats, but it's okay, it's your own technique.
Pulling their hats and goggles. Here come our smart ones. Here we go.
Look at the excitement of the racers. Wow.
टोपी पकड़ी हमने। Race for success. एक बार फिर एक कड़ा मुकाबला है यहाँ।
Everyone is having different techniques. Few are wearing jackets first, and others are wearing goggles and hats.
इनकी मुस्कान को देखिए, ये पूरी मेहनत के साथ कितना मजा कर रहे हैं। Are you ready? और आज तैयार हैं आखिरी दौड़ के लिए।
Everyone has crossed the finish line, but let's not forget the incredible effort from all the participants. Everyone has starred in this exciting and colorful race. Let's give a huge round of applause to our little race.
The importance of self-management and life skills, reminding us how everyday tasks like dressing up can be both fun and empowering.
And they are rushing to their first clue station, eager to uncover the mystery, and mystery has already solved. Wow! You can feel the excitement in the air.
There's a unique thrill in searching for building blocks. As hands dive into the sand, the texture shifts between soft and gritty.
तेरा तो बिस्तर है मेहमान मुझे ना गंदी तेरी शान तेरे जमाने है जहां पहले पहले पूरा आसमान तू बड़ी बात दिखा तू आग दिखा
All while evoking childlike wonder.
The excitement is building as the teams close in on the treasure. Who will solve the first? Our chief guests, Mrs. and Mr. Harshayu BPLE, have arrived. I request everyone to welcome the chief guest with a big round of applause. A token of respect and love to our guest. Our little treasure hunters have found the treasure. What a fantastic effort from everyone. But the true treasure is the fun, teamwork and laughter we have seen throughout this event.
On your mark.
Look at our enthusiastic participants. They are so quick. Amazing efforts and enthusiasm. You have shown us the spirit of adventure, cooperation and determination. Well done everyone. The treasure may have...
इस रोमांचक यात्रा की यादें हमेशा ताजा रहेंगी।
Don't take more than Danny, don't overeat and do not throw away food. What are you saying? You know, there are many people in our world who don't like food. Let's process more storage to go by using parents and children.
Showing how powerful and expressive simple movements can be. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
शामी आने के कले जल्दी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले Thank you.
Let's give our talented young performers a huge round of applause. The incredible hand movement dance. They've shown us how even the smallest gestures can create a big impact. Filling the stage through their expressive and graceful act, our talented performers from UKG 5 and UKG 8 delivered a powerful message about valuing food and showing empathy towards those in need, inspiring us all to avoid wastage.
What are you doing, Ludwig? I'm studying. Oh, I remember one dance where dancer used plastic bands while dancing, and it improves their flexibility and loosen their muscles. Our UKG 2 and 6 friends are going to perform
By a unique and colorful performance, the puppet dance. Today, our talented young dancers will use elastic bands to create mesmerizing shapes, movements, and patterns. This performance combines creativity, coordination, and teamwork, and we are so excited to watch them bring it all to life. Let's give them a big round of applause as they will begin.
आज हमारे प्रतिभाशाली नर्तक लोचदार बैंड्स का उपयोग करके मनमोहक आकृतियां, गतियां और पैटर्न बनाएंगे। यह प्रदर्शन रचनात्मकता, समन्वय और टीम वर्क का अनूठा संगम है और हम उत्साहित हैं इन्हें देखने के लिए।
Wow, they have reached out to the audience with their elastic bands, engaging us in the performance. Let's give them a big cheer for this incredible moment of interaction.
They've shown us how teamwork and rhythm
A
can
blend of strength, flexibility, and artistry. It was breathtaking to watch.
You don't need a fireworks.
The caterpillar race. Our little caterpillars are ready to race on their way to victory inside their cardboard box. This race is all about speed, coordination, and a whole lot of fun.
Set. पहचाना है ओके तुझको आ गया क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा
Teams are zooming ahead with quick pillars. A huge round of applause for their amazing effort and enthusiasm. You have shown us how much fun it, or rather inside the box. Well done, kids. You are all winners in our eyes today.
You don't know it. Then why are you throwing out here and there?
Get ready for an exciting event based for our young speed and determination.
Are you ready? On your mark. Set.
Oh, look at the energy. How fast they are. And enthusiasm shown by all the teams. Everyone did a phenomenal job. Let's give a huge round of applause to our young players for their amazing effort and sportsmanship. Into a tower as quickly as carefully possible. It's a true test of patience and coordination, and we can't wait to see who will build the tallest and steer this tower. Let's cheer them.
I got me and one. On mark. Set.
संतुलन और चपलता की जरूरत होती है।
The goal is simple. They must build a tower using all their stones and cross the finish line without letting the tower fall.
और दौड़ शुरू हो गई। हंसी और उत्साह के साथ फिनिश लाइन की ओर दौड़ते हुए।
The kids rush to their stone piles, quickly picking up their stones. Look at their focus and determination. The first stone is always the easiest, but the real challenge is coming. They are carefully adjusting their stones to keep the tower from wobbling. Every step counts now. One wrong move and the tower would fall. Be careful. Audience, look at their incredible focus and determination.
Appreciate their focus. To build a taller tower.
A huge round of applause to our little stone stackers. You have shown us the perfect combination of skill, patience, and excitement. Whether you will finish first or just had fun along the way, you are all champions today. Great job, kids!
And now we await one more team. तालियां बजाइए।
Look at the incredible focus and determination.
You've done a wonderful job.
This I was with the market. I want maybe.
Here we have our first batch of enthusiastic participants. Each child has a mission, is to throw sandbags into the target circle. The race is not just about speed, but also accuracy. What an exciting...
Wow, that man.
Look at the teamwork. The participants come stand. Look at those determined faces as they grab.
Look at that. Look, bullseye. That's an...
What an amazing display of talent, patience, and joy from all our little champions. Remember, it's just not about winning, it's about learning to aim high and have fun.
The school squirrels get confused and think it's an earthquake. Lisa! Speaking of energy, let's dive into the next event. The bottle drill by students of UKG and UKG 9.
Oh, filled with pebbles. Water their mouths, snake and roots to inside the pebbles and of the house.
Our young dancers are about to amaze you with their energy, choreography and precision. As they incorporate waters into their moves, let's give them a big round of applause as they get...
Small time alongside JW. My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make things go higher? Talking about head now, head now, head now, head now. I go, I it. Here we go together. High school breeze, big parties, I feel like don't get no better. Talking about head now, head now, head now, head now. I go, I it. Take him off in a anane, take him off in a ne. Hey, your mama belly, step on the dancing floor. Hips winding, tail winding, take it to the island way. Hey, your baby mama, put on the dancing shoes. One drop it on the floor, take it to the max. Now, tell me this for jam way, tell me this for jam way. My bestie and your bestie sit by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make things go higher? Talking about head now, head now, head now. I go, I it. Take him off in a anane, take him off in a ne.
Straight up, right, go to my mama, protecting and stuck in a island banda. Fingers into my guitar to me like a trance, pretty ladies, better get it. I'm telling you, I'm going to yellow, I'm going to make it so I'm coming in it. Speakers jumping, people jumping, but I'm in the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew, all across the others. Grab your shoes, it's bright, and I'll shine it bright like that. Talking about head now, head now. I go on it. Come on, people, I'm on it. Come on, people, I'm
Yes, I'm coming up now, take it to the max now, I'm in the front some way. Wind it.
Wind up and on, wind up and on. Shall run it back like that, we gon' get there, we go like that. Turn it around, wind up and on, wind up and on. Shall run it back like that, we gon' get there, we go like that. Turn it around, my bestie and your bestie. Say right fire, your bestie says you want parties, if you make this thing go higher. Talking about head now, head now. I go on it. Come on, people, I'm on it. Come on, people, come on, people, come on, people, come on, people.
With a final flourish, they raise their bottles high in the air, ending the performance with a stunning pose. What an incredible performance! Spectacular performance. Great job, kids. You have led us all on this. The fruit along the line and teams are using some tricky techniques to pass the fruit. They are balancing it on their elbows. They are keeping a strong pace, passing the fruit with great precision. Teams are moving so fast now. They have got a solid rhythm going. The fruit is passed from one teammate to next without a single slip and secure. Fantastic job, kids. You have made this game so much fun. Get ready for the teams are lined up and the puzzles are waiting to be solved. Each racer will sprint to their station, grab a puzzle and rush back to have it together perfectly. So, you will need to stay focused and work together. It's a true test of both speed and strategy. Wow, kids! Whether you have finished first or second, you all have shown great focus with the perseverance. You have made this race so much fun. Get ready for a spectacular performance as our young dancers take the stage for chair dance. The routine is all about creativity, coordination,
और लड़कियां कैसे मिलकर काम कर सकते हैं, जिम्मेदारियां साझा कर सकते हैं और एक दूसरे को प्रोत्साहित कर सकते हैं.
cheers. I'm so excited to watch this dance, the chair dance performance.
Please keep a watch on their moves. They'll be showing you great skill and choreography.
You're my starlight, I'm with you. Alright, come on, dance with me.
Their moves are smooth and quick, showing great skill and choreography. This is a dance performance full of excitement. Let's give a huge round of applause for all the fantastic dancers. They have shown us how creativity, energy, and teamwork can turn ordinary shows into extraordinary rocks. You have all resonated with your incredible talent and teamwork. What a performance! Performance. Our young athletes are about to show their flexibility, strength, and energy as they perform a high energy routine. It's all about rhythm, coordination, and keeping up the pace. I can feel the energy on the ground. Whole team is looking so fantastic. Just witness the hard work to stay coordinated and on beat. Whatever fitness can be an incredible use, perfect timing and contagious energy. This is such a treat that influence from ABG has shown us how to combine fitness and fun. Now, get ready to be amazed as we watch our talented young dancers perform a beautiful and graceful rhythm dance. It will always be rhythm dance. The dancers of course are creative, rhythm and teamwork can create something really magical and extraordinary as they very and dance with their girls. What a graceful start.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I remember the brightest colors fill my head. Every day you take me away. I think of what the world could be. You're the one I see. Silly dreams is all it's got to say.
Silly dreams for the world we're gonna make. compile. Each one there to make you smile on a rainy day.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to the world that we design.
Every night I lie in bed, these numbers fill my head. There can't be away. Keep the wide world for me. A vision like the one I see. Silly crazy always gonna tell.
Kind words.
Vice principal, teachers, parents, family members, and all the kids over there. What an incredible good day, and I must thank all of you for this spectacular show. What we have seen in the last 2 hours is nothing short of a symphony of students performing to the collective teams. For that, we all must collectively applaud all the kids who have wholeheartedly participated in this program. This would have not been possible by the stellar efforts of all the teachers, parents, their family members, and all of you need great kudos and my compliments to everyone. And sometimes, along with the kids, we have seen the parents and the teachers also performing from the peripherals. It's a pure joy to watch from the thing. This reminds a wholehearted effort from the school how it can bring the value system to the society. Today we are in the second half of our second 25 years of this 21st century, and all of you are doing here is nothing short of reshaping the society, community, and the nation at large. And please continue your good work. It has been incredible to see that one. Every such program brings a lot of learning to each every one of us. I'm sure all the adults in the crowd would have experienced the inner childhood in their mind to tickle and come out in the last 2 hours, and it must have drawn back to their memory lane. And that's an incredible experience what we have experienced today. And if you really see the performance of the kids are innocent souls and they don't see the outside world till today, and we got to have a lot of learnings. I thought that I will draw some 5 learnings today. I will share all of with you. The first one is, let us say, enjoy the activities what you really do there. That's the more important thing. I think all these activities got all the kids to enjoy their activities, irrespective of whatever they are doing. Some may be dancing, some may be participating in the races, some may be helping others, some may be in the front row, some may be in the back row. But every one of them has really enjoyed, and it is a pure joy to watch that one. The second one is never ever give up. That was very stellar display. Hardly we came to see that the kids are moving without finishing the activity. Whatever may be the time taken, they sat through, they completed, even though their friends has already completed, they have not given up and they have completed till the end and then did that. The third one is the focus on the job they are doing. It has been incredible. I mean, we have been seeing the kids performing the step, putting the stones in the stacking, all the 7 stones, they have been with the focus, whether it is a balancing act or anything, the focus is very much required and it has been so. The most important thing what I thought today is, be yourself and don't compete with others. Hardly we get to see the kids taking out their focus from their activities, seeing the neighborhoods and then comparing with the thing. It has been a pure innocent soul. They have been seeing themselves and how they can be, themselves. And the last but not the least, today the power of learning, I could able to see that the kids are able to adapt and then learn from the previous batches what they are doing. I mean, the dress-up challenge, we have seen that. Somebody first wears the hat, somebody then spec, then they put the coat. But some kids learn doing the toughest activity first, putting the coat first and the hat and the thing. So this remains a very important thing. And there is a saying, like if you can't do it at 5, you cannot do it at 50. So all this activities, the mindset or the value system what they bring at the early years will imbibe the values till the very end of the life, and that is the important essence of building a great culture in our country. Because the values brings the belief brings the thoughts, and thoughts translate into the action, and the actions will bring the consequences. So it is important to bring up the value system, and you all have been doing very great at the school. And I must thank all our principal, vice principal, coordinators, all teachers for doing this important activity of societal building. Thank you very much. And last but not the least, me and my wife have been honored to be here, and thank you for inviting us. And it has been one of the best experience for both of us today. Thank you very much. Keep the good work. God bless you all, and thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wise words. Now is the moment for the formal declaration of Olympic Day closed. I ask Anvita Kakkar to declare the Sports Day closed.
So thank you all for your presence, and I declare the Sports Day, Annual Sports Day Pre-Primary closed today for the LKG and UKG. Thank you so much.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की